Oh world, commitment isn't just easy and natural, it's something that you want when you are happy in a relationship. Your needs are being met and there is real trust between you. It's like being offered delicious food after being hungry. You don't have to think about whether or not you want to be committed to eating, you just enjoy it. If someone isn't willing to protect your heart, then you are not really committed to you. They only really care about how you benefit them. Their commitment is to their own needs and stop where yours begin. A commitment is an agreement and a promise that two people willingly make with each other because there is mutual trust, safety and respect, and you both benefit from the relationship. If someone is trying to avoid understanding you and communicating with you, then they are trying to avoid committing to you. Only invest in someone who is investing in you. If you struggle with commitment or emotional intimacy, then consider learning more about yourself and what's causing your anxiety that's blocking you from having a more loving and fulfilling relationship. By Joel Clemons. Here's an interview, a chat of Ama for her dreams and goals for 2025. What is she dreaming of? What is her goal for 2025? What is she planning and doing to make her dream come true? As the conversation goes, what is her biggest dream right now? And what are you doing to fulfill it? I have a goal for this year that this year will be a year of my voice. Today, I am ready to share what is in here, a connection between my heart and in my mind. I want to pass it on to others thanks to my experience which have been good and bad. Now I know exactly who I can help someone, even one person. I am all in. I have a dream. I want to fulfill. I don't want to say it out loud because I have learned to only speak about dream after they have come true. But I am very close to completing a great personal project. It was a beautiful time we spent together. On this story of Ama, she said, Alexandra, fly high, beautiful soul, surrounded by all that you need, be fulfilled constantly, changing according to what's telling you. Love. In this post of Anna, it captioned, life becomes more meaningful when you realize the simple fact that you will never get the same moment twice. Appreciate here and now because it's only one thing you can be sure about. Ama, P.S. I am more than grateful for my present. And Anna also said, the explanation of the joy of being. The joy of being is about finding happiness and contentment. Simply in existing. Life is made up of present moment, and when you are always in a constant pursuit for more rather than appreciating the present as it is, are truly living life or are you just living in your head? While it is great to have ambitious goals and desire to create a better life for yourself, also remember to find joy and gratitude in the little things and simple moments. Be thankful for each breath you take, be excited for every sunrise you see, and allow yourself to just be because there is joy in simple existing. Good for you, Anna, that every Saturday morning starts with a workout.
Dziś z kolei robimy dolne partie. Teraz taśma odwodząca. Aktywujemy pośladeczek, całą taśmę boczną na skupieniu. 5. Dobrze. Poćwiczone.
The new post of Michele, as we can see that his latest campaign ad of Dolce & Gabbana Devotion perfume for men is now on the billboard of Broadway, Times Square in New York, as he captioned it with, "Watch me now, Dad, from up that feeling." So touching, Michele, but you are true that whatever we are doing here on earth, Someone up there, whoever they are watching us, especially from God up above. And we know it, your Father is so proud of what you have become when it comes to your career. Oh, I see. For you, Michele, this is your lucky number. We will see if it is an addition tattoo for you or you remove a tattoo. Here is it, the outcome now, guys. Be the one to guess what is this new tattoo of him. Well, yeah, Michele is back in Milan and he is back at home as he goes straight to his studio as he missed the place already. It's good to know that very soon your business will be open to public. Your collection of arts are all in here. You have a beautiful antique chandelier. I can see there is a feet there and it moves a little. Oh, who is with him? Michele misses his stuff in here like his collection of dolls and his books. There is a deleted video of Michele. He posted it but just quickly, in just a snap of a finger. He deleted it but we captured it, guys. And here is it. Look at it closely and tell me what can you see. Do you see anything, guys? You should carefully look at the window. On the left side, it's the window on Michele's house, and on the right side, it's the window on the video. My guess is right that the window on Michele's house and on the window of the video are the same based on the grills. It can be possible, isn't it? Thank you for watching my video today. Comment your reaction below. Don't forget to click the like button. Share this video to others and please subscribe on my channel. Day 39 of the 365 days of 2025. A message to all. You are not adult. You are not almost good enough. Almost chosen, almost the one. You are not almost worthy, you are not almost loved. You are a full body yes. You are the divine answer to a whisper prayer. You are a sacred promise. You are the single glimmer of light that illuminates the darkest night. You are not an almost. You are not a maybe. You are not adequate or acceptable or fine. You are the blessing. You are the gift. You are unrepeatable miracle. You are breathtaking wonder. You are the priceless and cherished treasure that the broken road has been leading to all along. When they ask how you made it, you are going to tell them it didn't come easy. The path you walk upon wasn't perfectly paved with lights and signs that show you the way. When they ask you how you made it, you crawl over the granite roots of your insecurities and swam through the muddy waters of your fears. You walk through dark forests, alone for endless nights with the only guiding light coming from the North Star beating inside your chest, that your heart beats for you, that your lungs breathe for it, and that the long path that led you here is the best thing you have ever done. From the hardship, you found peace. From the darkness, you found your light. In the end, you made it because the unfailing heart inside your chest didn't know how to quit. By Sana Kate Lee.